Hi guys, my name is Miss Bockover. I am so sorry that I couldn't meet you in person. I'm finishing up my last couple of days at summer camp. I work at a church camp in Ada, North Carolina during the summer, so I still get to spend some time with kiddos like you. It's just in a different way. I'm finishing that up and I'll be back for the first day of school on Monday, but I'm sorry I couldn't meet you face to face today. If you're watching this video, that means that you are either an 8th grade science student or a parent or a guardian of one. I'm really excited to get to discover with you all this year. 8th grade science is a bit of a grab bag. We've got all kinds of different sciences that we'll be studying. We've got some biology and chemistry as well as some earth science and a little bit of just general science. We'll be talking about biotechnology and diseases. We might even talk, well, we will. We'll talk about water, like the hydrosphere, both freshwater and marine ecosystems. We'll talk about our bodies and how they create food and fuel, and we'll also spend quite a bit of time on some chemistry. I'm really excited. It is a challenging year. Each year that you go up in science, it gets a little bit harder. So it is going to be a little bit challenging, but it'll be fun. And we get to look at science a little bit more in depth than you would have in the past. If you're watching this video too, you might also be an earth and environmental student. That's going to be offered as an elective this year. And we have one course or one class of it. You do need administration approval because it is a high school course. So I will be treating you as 9th graders. I have high expectations for that class for both how you conduct yourself and the work that we do. It is going to be harder because it is a high school course, but it'll be a lot of fun. In earth science, it's more specialized, so we study the different systems of the earth, how they work, so the processes and properties, as well as how humans are impacting them. It's a really cool course. It's really inspiring to get to see, or not inspiring, but eye-opening, to get to see how humans are impacting the world that we live in, and also learn about how you, as an educated citizen, can change that. Again, I'm sorry I couldn't meet you. If you guys have any questions, you're welcome to email me. It's lindsey, Bockover, Bockover, @mro.org, and I will answer your emails if you have questions. We did put a supply list out there. Miss Blake has it. For science, we use colored pencils or markers. We do some doodle notes, and we also create quite a few graphs and charts that you need color for. Let's see. I use pens, like colored pens. You don't have to. Colored pencils work well. We do, again, a lot of doodle notes, so those work really well, but they're not required. And then I do have a wish list on there for some of the science supply things. If you feel like donating, that would be awesome, but if you don't, I understand, or if that's not something you can do at this time, I understand too, but make sure you check that out. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. Come prepared the first day to learn and have fun and discover. Have a great day, guys, and I'm sorry I couldn't be there to meet you, but I'll see you on Monday. Bye!